just in time for Christmas. Retro steam engine with generator and illuminated lamppost. Join me in Santa's workshop as we put together this finely crafted model. The Retro engine comes with clear graphical instructions and all the parts you need, including the tools. Playing the role of Santa Claus was a joy. Building this engine, it went together really easily. No problems, no issues, and all the parts were complete. I suspect Retro laser cut all the parts so they easily fit together, including bearings, bushings, piston rods, and even the boiler. After the engine was built, which took me about an hour and was a great fun project, it was time to test it. Sit back and enjoy this fine retro steam engine model with a generator and even an illuminated lamppost working. This working steam engine from sterlingkit.com is going to sit in pride of place on my Christmas mantelpiece. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description. Just compare the price of what you would pay for a European steam engine model that would also come without the fun of building it. Join the steam age this Christmas and have steam-powered illuminated fun with your kids and grandkids. Merry Christmas, everybody.